In our previous video, we have changed the contents of the web page using the jQuery. So here in this video, what we are going to do, we are going to change the style of web page using the jQuery. So for the same reason, I'm just going to write some codes over here. So in the body section, I need, say, I require two buttons for this. Say I write over there, click on, say I'm just taking it in paragraph. Click on the button below to change background. Color. So here I'm taking two buttons. To this I have to give ID. Say I'm just giving this ID as button B1, and here I have to give the name of some color. So I'm just selecting green over here, and similarly we will copy these contents. I'm just copy this line, Control C. Here we go, copy, paste this, and here we go, paste this. Say here I just give the ID to this B2, and the color is, say, right, and to this I'm giving ID as V3, and color I say teal. Okay, so these are the colors that I've defined for this. Similarly, I'm just taking, copy this, and paste it over here, and click on the button below to change background color of header. Say I'm just taking of paragraph, and color, say here, and just I'm taking here the two colors only, two buttons for this. Say button here it's giving ID 4, and to this I'm giving the button ID 5, and let it to be green and red. Yeah, we can choose another color over here. Let's say we take orange. Here in this case, and say gray here in this case. Okay, so before that I would like to add two more element over there. Say I take one element h1, and to this I'm writing some text here, and here I take another element paragraph, and to this I will say write this as a paragraph. So I'm also using this as a paragraph. So instead of the, only paragraph, I'm just giving ID to this as say P1. Okay, so save this. Here we go, refresh this. Here we get it. Click on the button to change background color. Here we are considering at the body background color, and click on the button below to change background color of paragraph and color. So this is paragraph. I just wanted to change its background color and the text color. That's my point over here. So for this I have to write the script. So in this case I'm taking script element, and here we start writing script using jQuery. So I just wanted to click on this button and the background should be changed to this. So here in this case I have to use string symbol, then parenthesis, and here we have to give the ID. Now this button I have to select it using its ID, and this button is having the ID B1. So here I have to write hash B1. Okay, and the event to this is I just wanted to make click on this, and to this we have to call the function. Then here we have to write the body of this function. Now what we need to do, if we click on this, we need to change the CSS property of this, that the background of the body should be changed. So for this I have to use again string symbol. Now here I have to select the element that will change its color. So here the element will be body. Then instead of using HTML, here we will go with CSS. Okay, CSS, and here in the CSS we have to pass the two arguments, that is the name of the property and value to the property. So the name of the property is background color, and comma, the second argument I have to pass to it as the value of this property. So here if I have to click on this button, the background should be green, so I will give the value to this as green. So my script is working till this time. I have to check this. Here we go, refresh this, and I just click on this button, green. Oh, it's working. So if I click on this button, the background of the body is changed to green. So similarly the same thing that we can have to copy these codes over here, and here we go pasting. Here in this case our ID will become 2. If we click on the second button, same, rest of the things will same, and the value will go change over here only, that here in case of red. Refresh this once again, and if I click on this button, the background changes to red. Here we go. And then similarly we just have to write for the button 3. So we will copy these contents using Control C, then Control V to paste this, and this time the ID of the button is V3, and here goes the background value as teal. Save this. Here we go, refresh this and click on this button. Oh, our JavaScript is jQuery is working. This JavaScript is working till now. So it's very easy to write code using jQuery. So similarly we have to write the events for this. Here in this case we wanted to change the background this paragraph. If I click on this button, or if I click on this button, orange button will change the background of say this header, and if I click on the gray button, say this will change the background of paragraph. So here in this case I have to write again, use almost the same is there. So I'm just copying this, Control C here, and here we go, paste. Here in this case our ID is 4 and the event is clicked, and here what we need to do, we just wanted to change the background of this header to color that is orange. So here we go, save it, refresh it, then go this. So it's changed, it's working. Then similarly we can add the code for the next button also, Control C, and here we go, copy V, and in this case we are having the ID V5, clicked, and here we have to change. Now here we have used two paragraphs. If we write paragraph, say P elevate over there, what's going to be happen? Let's see. Background color, say gray. Save this. Here we go. Refresh this. No, click on this button. So this is changing all the paragraph that we have used over there to in gray. We just wanted to change only this paragraph to be background having gray. So in this case I have to use ID of this. Okay, so here we have to specify hash p1, save this. Here we go, refresh this and click on this. Fantastic. So I just wanted to change the color of this. I know this on the gray, I just wanted to make its color white. So what I can do, I simply have to copy this line using Control C, and we go Control V, and if I have to change the text color, the property is color, and then we have to give the value to this. Say here I want color to be white. So save this, refresh it, click on this. So here the background is changed to display gray and this. Similarly, if we want to change these colors, we can simply add this line over there, Control C, and here we go, paste it over here. Here we have to specify the element as h1 and colors to be white. Just simply click on this. Here we go, and let's click on the orange. Nothing, as here is mistake, this is h1 not h11. So here we go, save the changes and refresh, and again click on this button orange. So things has been changed over here. So this way using we can change. This is how using jQuery we can change the style of our web page. So this is all for now. See you in the next video.